Goalkeeper of the season, Sipho Chain, Orlando Pirates. Chain was ever present in Pirates' title-winning campaign, underlining his importance by setting a new league record of 21 clean sheets. Renowned for his organization, composure, and distribution, he was both a reliable last line of defense and a key part of the team's build-up play. The winner in this category, Sipho Chain, Orlando Pirates Premiership Defender of the Season. Lebone Siema, Orlando Pirates. The 23-year-old was a mainstay at the heart of the Pirates' defense, starting all but 2 of their league matches. Siema emerged as one of the Premiership's standout centre-backs with his timing, composure, and sharp game reading, contributing heavily to the Buccaneers' strong defensive record and clean sheet tally. And the winner is Lebone Siema, Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Midfielder of the Season, Oswin Apollos, Orlando Pirates. Apollos was central to Orlando Pirates' title triumph, delivering 15 goal contributions in a standout Premiership season. His creativity, flair, and ability to unlock defenses made him one of the Buccaneers' most dangerous attacking players throughout the campaign. And the winner, Oswin Apollos, Orlando Pirates. Betway Premiership Young Player of the Season, Isak Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. Despite a slow start to the season, the 21-year-old playmaker enjoyed another outstanding campaign for Pirates. Mofokeng's creativity, vision, and final third influence was central to the club's title charge, and he finished with more goal contributions than any other player in the division. This category's winner is Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates.
Thank you for everyone.
Betway Premiership Goal of the Season, Cameron Danson, Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. And the winner in this category is Cameron Danson, Orlando Pirates. Mamelodi Premiership Coach of the Season, Miguel Kodoslamwadu, Orlando Pirates. Coach Wadu overcame a difficult start at Orlando Pirates, losing his first 2 Premiership matches before transforming the Buccaneers into a dominant force. He went on to lose just 1 of the remaining 28 fixtures, leading a side that scored the most goals, conceded the fewest, and equaled a long-standing clean sheet record en route to a famous title win. And the winner is Abdeslam Wadu, Orlando Pirates.
Yes, it was
Betway Premiership Player of the Season, Bohilo Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. Mofokeng once again took center stage in the Betway Premiership, scoring 10 goals whilst leading the division in assists and chances created. His creativity, vision, and ability to deliver in decisive moments were instrumental in Orlando Pirates' title-winning campaign. Kamogelo's category is Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates.
It's been an honor to
Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates. Watching Mofokeng play, it's easy to forget he was just 20 years old when the season began. Showcasing fearlessness and flair throughout Pirates' treble-winning campaign, his consistency, creativity, and influence in decisive moments drove the team to 3 titles, establishing him as one of the league's most impactful players. Winner in this category, Relebohile Mofokeng, Orlando Pirates.
It's an honor.